committee, I am going to cite you in contempt for lying. Any objection? Hearing none.
I'm ready for
You
that,
are
sir.
cited in contempt. Kumsik, you take custody of this person. Lukuhin mo kami?
May dala na po akong bag, sir.
You want to say something aside from the answers that you have given us? No more?
No more, Your Honor.
So I understand you want to be excused earlier.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Okay.
If that's allowed.
So if
said that.
no more questions coming from my colleagues, thank you. Your excuse.
Let him
Thank you, Your Honor.
recover from his COVID.
Ha? Naghansik na ako sa kanya kanina, ha? Pero, so negative ka na, ha? Negative ka na, sir. Negative na. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
I just would like, I just would like to, inform the body, especially my colleagues, about the status of James Kumar. How I wish he is here, but wala siya dito. So
Maybe, Mr. Chair, we can hear from the lawyer of Mr. Kumar about his absence.
she's not invited as a resource person, but her role here is has to be limited for giving legal advice to James Kumar. But if you want to ask her, then
yes,
can we
administer?
administer the oath? Yeah.
Please raise your right hand, ma'am. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this investigation, ma'am? Thank you very much, ma'am. Please take your seat.
Attorney, if I may, Mr. Chair, what happened to your client?
Senator, last Friday, we were going to the Parañaque prosecutor's office to file a case against the people who used his name. However, on our way there, he started getting dizzy. So we brought him straight to Makati Medical because we called his doctor. And apparently, we have the report now from the doctor that he had a transient ischemic attack, which is a stroke. And when they checked him, meron pong bara. I think 55% yung bara sa vein. And at the same time, he was suffering from acute bronchitis, Your Honor. So may tubig din sa baga. So if any doctors from the Senate or from the parties, even if we bring the reports, the scans, they will be able to find they will have the same findings, Your Honor.
Since we are not doctors here, we cannot attest to the veracity of this medical certificate. But I know the attending physician, Dr. Raul Lapitan, he is also my cardiologist before, and he's a very good cardiologist, Mr. Chair.
Yeah, thank you, Senator Jing. In fact, I have no doubt about that medical certificate. Pinirmahan niya ng doktor. May oath ang doktor na talagang hindi sila dapat magsisinungaling sa kanilang tungkulin. But then again, being the chairman of this committee, gusto ko rin talagang andito sana siya. If, yeah, because kung basehan natin yung video, narinig natin na very serious yung allegations about yung sinasabi na pwedeng ipapatay si Morales, maraming paraan para patayin si Morales. And hindi ko rin makukonsensya kapag after this hearing, kung i-terminate na natin itong hearing na ito ngayon, tapos may mangyari kay Morales, mamamatay yan, dahil hindi natin nakumpronta si James Kumar as to the veracity of that conversation. So, I think I am remiss of my duties kung hayaan natin na isara lang ito na hindi mapakinggan si Kumar. Baka kasi very serious yung sinasabi nitong former Napolcom personnel na si Picoy, kahit na sinasabi niya na katang-isip lang yung nasabi na, well, I don't believe you, Mr. Picoy. I don't believe you. In the first place, sinasabi mo na katang-isip mo yun. Pero, paano ka, alam ko yung ginawa mo ngayong Descartes, afterthought na lang. Gusto mo lang magpapalusot. Dahil, sabi mo, last hearing, na gusto mo lang, diskarte mo lang yun para maimbitahan ka dito, para pakita ka ng mga ebidensya mo na yung dala mong papel, para mapatawag ka lang, kaya mo ginawa yun. Sinabi mo naman na hindi ka narinig, hindi mo alam na nandun si Morales, nakikinig sa usapan ninyo. At hindi mo alam na mayroong video recording, may CCTV. How come na magdrama-drama ka doon kung ganon? So I don't really believe you, Mr. Santiago. Yeah, you answer.
Sir, para sa akin po, sir, opinion niyo po yun eh. Pero ang katotohanan po, nasabi ko na po.
Katotohanan mo?
Yes, sir.
Is that your truth?
Yes, sir.
Nalukuhin kami dito?
Hindi po kayo, sir, ang niloloko ko, sir. Sir, hindi ko po kayo niloloko, sir.
Meron ka pang daladalang... we are inviting you here to shed light on the... Yun yung papel mo doon sa CCTV recording.
Yes, sir.
Kaya kita inibitahan.
Yes, sir.
At hindi kita inibitahan dito para kunin yung expert opinion mo. May dadala ka pang papel nga tuturuan mo kami kung paano gumawa ng operation to conduct report, yung pre-operational report. Sino ka para magturo sa amin dito? Hindi ka nga naging police, hindi ka nga naging PDEA. Na Polcom employee ka lang, na-dismiss ka pa. So paano ka bigay ng expert opinion sa amin? Hindi ko, this committee doesn't need your expert opinion here. This committee wants your answer as far as your participation in that very telling video recording sa CCTV. It's unfair for me kung hindi ko pakinggan si Kumar dito sa open hearing, tapos kayo napakinggan ko dito. As your allegation na pwedeng patayin si Morales anytime, in any kind of method, in any manner, kung mangyari yan after the hearing, kasi you are claiming na talagang magaling ka, marami kang kaso. May binanggit ako 2 kaso mo. Ngayon, nagsabi ka pa, hindi lang yan, sir. Mukhang talagang parang nakasandal ka sa pader kung magsalita ka.
Sir, kagaya po ng sinabi ko, sir, opinion niyo po yun, pero yung katotohanan po, sa akin po yun. Sinabi ko na po.
So, ibig mo sabihin, totoo talaga yon na nanluloko ka lang?
Kagaya po ng sinabi ko noong unang hearing, sir, niloloko ko po si Romy, hindi po kayo. Pero sila ang nagpasakay sa inyo, hindi po ako.
Anong reason mo? Bakit mo siya niloko?
Kagaya po nung sinabi ko noong unang hearing, sir, meron po sana akong gustong patunayan na 2 bagay. Yan ang unang bagay na nakarating ako dito. Dahil sa kwento ko sa 2, hindi po kasama kayo. Siya ang nagpasakay sa inyo, sir, hindi ako.
Ano nga rason? Bakit mo lukuhin si itong kausap mo? Para mapatawag ka dito sa hearing.
Kagaya ng sinabi ko pa rin po noong unang hearing, sir, yun pa rin po. Doon ako nakatindig dahil yun po ang katotohanan.
Do you think mapapatawag ka dito kung wala yung hindi pinakita ni Morales yung CCTV? At hindi mo alam na may CCTV recording yon. At hindi mo alam na nandun si Morales nung nag-uusap kayo.
Kagaya po, sir, ng sinabi ko, sir, iyan po ay lahat ay isang katang-isip na para sa kanila lang. Pero ang nangyari, sila ang nagpasakay po sa inyo, hindi po ako. Sila lang po ang pinapasakay ko, sir.
Kaya nga, pinasakay mo siya kasi gusto mo ma-influence ako para maimbitahan ka. Kay gusto mo kunyari mag-present ng legal expertise mo sa paggawa ng pre-operation report kasi yun ang gusto mong ipakita. Diba?
Hindi ko po akalain, sir, na, sir, sa totoo lang, sir, forgive me for saying this, hindi ko po akalain na papatulan niyo po yung ano ko sa kanila, sir eh. Sa akin lang po, para lang po talaga.
Sinabi mo na nga na iyon ang objective
Yes,
mo.
sir. Pero hindi ko po alam, hindi ko po in-expect na papatulan yun para makarating ako rito.
Do you believe, naniwala ka ba? Maniniwala yung tao sa'yo? Yung sa video na yon na mangloko ka lang?
Depende po, sir, yan sa taong nakikinig, sir. Ang akin po...
You are lying!
Come again, sir?
You are lying!
Opinion niyan, sir. Sa akin po naman yung totoo lang. From sa unang
I am-
hearing hanggang dito.
As chairman of this committee, I am going to cite you in contempt for lying. Any objection? Hearing none.
I'm ready for
You
that,
are
sir.
cited in contempt.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Salamat po, sir.
Kumsik, you take custody of this person. Lukuhin mo kami?
May dala na po akong bag, sir. Kunin mo na yung bag.
Ha?